So today we are going to start the Gemini CLI. This is a agent. It's an open source agent which can perform and act in your terminal. So before I start my session, I just want to introduce something about the how it agent work, what is the Gemini. But before that I want to ask, do you know about the Gemini? You can raise your hand if you know about the Gemini. No one knows about the Gemini? Yeah? Okay. 1, 2, 3. But why are you putting down your hands? Okay. And you already done the work with Gemini CLI? Gemini only? Okay. I am asking very simple question. How many people are using the ChatGPT? Okay. Nice. Still some people are not using the ChatGPT. It's really strange. I think everyone using ChatGPT nowadays. Am I right or wrong? Okay. You are not energetic? Are you excited to new session? You already had the breakfast? So show your energy. Because it's really going to a very good section. After this session, you will be able to make any website, any type of the code without putting extra efforts, without putting extra code. Just you can create a simple website on direct GCP, direct Google Cloud Protocol, direct Google Cloud. So we will provide some GCP credit as well. Before I start the session, I will provide the GCP credits. And using this credit, you will open your account, and after that you can immediately use the Gemini CLI, and with help of the Gemini CLI, you can make your website and anything else only just writing your command in terminal. It's really magic, because before that, every time if you want to make a website, how many people actually knows about the HTML CSS? Raise your hand, please show your energy. Okay, so you already using the HTML CSS to making a website, na? But we have to put a lot of struggle, a lot of efforts. First of all, you have to make a folder. After that, you have to make a page in HTML page, CSS page. You have to write the code, and many people still are using the Gemini Bard and ChatGPT to make this type of the website. I know, but after that, we have to first of all write a command in browser. After that, it will generate some code, and you will copy this code and paste your HTML page, and you will get a website. Am I right? What happens if you just write your command, your instruction in terminal only? Create a website for me, and it will automatically create a folder, page, CSS page, HTML page. Only follow your terminal command. You don't need to come into the browser. You don't need to come to write, copy, paste, anything else. So it can a magic, na? Am I right? So are you excited? Not looking excited. Just show your energy, because it can be a wonderful session. Okay, let's start. Before I start my session, I want to present something about it. So meet Gemini CLI. What is the Gemini CLI? I know many people knows about the Gemini Bard. Like a ChatGPT, Gemini Bard is a LLM, is a generative AI which can generate response, give answer of your query. Am I right? You used already Gemini Bard? Many people are using the Nano, Banana, Gemini, Bard, ChatGPT, everything, and you are getting the answer from there. So like Gemini is also LLM provided by Google, which actually built to, this is just a LLM which actually generate your response, answer according your question. So before they start my session, just a minute. I think it's a network issue. It's not showing here. Yeah, just okay. It's about me. I'm Akita Kakrani, Google developer expert, AI consultant, and main thing, I'm a startup mentor. So if you have any idea in your mind for your startup, for your project, so you can ask me about your idea, don't ask about your finance, because I can't give the answer in a finance, I can't invest, but I can give you answer in a technical view. So what type of the technique you can use in your business, how can make your idea in real, so I can help in that condition. So I am a startup mentor, I am a founder of the Kanishka IT. So this is my small introduction, and after that you can check me in LinkedIn. So before I start the session of the Gemini CLI, I want to tell you what is generative AI. Anyone can answer what is generative AI? Just raise your hand, give me an answer. This session, it should not be just I am talking something, I am telling something, you are listening, you are doing. It should be a conversation level. So, do you know what is the generative AI? Yeah, please. What is the generative AI? Tell me. No one wants to give answer? I think you know what is the generative AI. Okay. What is LLM? Just give the answer. What is LLM? People raise your hand if you don't know about the generative AI. I am repeating. People raise your hands if you don't know about the generative AI. If you are not raising your hand, that means you know about the generative AI. What happened? If you don't show your, are you understanding what I am saying? Am I audible to everyone? I am audible? So give me an answer. Do you know about the generative AI? Okay. Do you know about the AI? What is AI? No response. What happened? Okay. By the way, I am going to start my session, but before I start the session, I just want to say this is a golden opportunity. You can ask question, you can get the answer about generative AI, about the AI, and about your project idea. Okay. If you are not asking any question, if you are not showing your interest, then it will you are just let it go to this opportunity. So I will suggest, please show your energy and give the answer. Make this session more conversational, then it will be a real enjoyable and really good knowledgeable for you as well. Okay. So what is the generative AI? I am explaining, don't worry. Generative AI means a AI which generate something for you. Before the generative AI, we had AI which generate the answer on the base of the predefined answer. Like a question is already available, answer is already available. And whenever you ask the question, then it must be same type according to availability. If your question, suppose that I put it a question, I like the Hyderabad, okay, and I am changing the question, I think I am liking the Hyderabad, it just a differ because it's not existed in your database. So might be it can't give the perfect answer. But generative AI not like that. It's not a giving answer according to predefined pattern, according to predefined question, predefined answer. No, it will generate the answer. Obviously, it has also data set, but it's not a fixed question and answer. It will generate new answer according your question on the base of the data set. Means it has a really a big data set, and this data set nothing like its question answer. Big data set is the information, it's available, and whenever you put a question, then it will generate answer on a base of this question. Like a child, if you ask from a 2-year child, what is the capital of the India? I think he or she can't give answer because he is just a 2 years old child. So not possible he can give answer. But after study, after like whenever he come in the 10 year, after 10 year, whenever you ask, then it will give answer. Because during this the timing of the development of age, he developing his mind with and grabbing the lot of information. So means it's a training their mind. Schooling and other information according to age, they are getting the information in mind, and now it's able to give answer of the more question. So like my machine learning model, AI model already had a lot of information and trained with information. So whenever you ask the question, then it will generate answer like a human. Like if you ask me, I love Hyderabad. Someone asks me, I like Hyderabad. Someone asks, I like Hyderabad, but I don't like the weather, I don't like the pollution, I don't like anything else. But what is the means of all of this question? I can give answer, no, Hyderabad is a tech city, might be here is a traffic problem, pollution, but weather is good. So I can give answer all of 3 questions according to my information in my mind. So I have information in my mind about the weather, about the traffic, about the climate, about the other tech and information. So on the base of this information, I am generating the answer like a human because I am a human. But now AI can also generate answer, generate image, generate video. So that's why AI become generative AI. So ChatGPT is a generative AI. Not generative AI. ChatGPT not generating new answer. Gemini bar is a generative AI because generating new answer, not a predefined answer. So this is a generative AI. And what is the LLM? So generative AI giving you answer on a base of the trained model. I have a model which is already trained on the base of huge data set, and this model is called LLM, means large language model, which understand your language, grammar, context information and many things else. So this is called a large language model. Understand what is the LLM, what is the generative AI? I will ask some question. If you give me answer right, then obviously I will give you extra points. Okay, I am asking a question. I will give you 2 examples. You have to tell me what is the example of the generative AI or what is the example of the rule based AI. Okay, Zomato chatbot. Zomato chatbot, rule based or generative? Are you using the Zomato? Swiggy? Are you using? So what do you think? It's a generative AI, it's a rule based chatbot. How many people understand it's a rule based? Raise your hand. Okay, great. Absolutely right. It's a rule based chatbot. Because whenever we ask a question, immediately many times I got the answer, I can't understand what are you saying. Because question is not available in their data set. It's a able to give answer only which available in their data set. Okay. Again, ChatGPT prompt, generative AI or rule based? ChatGPT prompt, rule based or generative AI? Give answer. What do you think? Huh? Generative AI. Delhi image generator. You don't know Delhi? Okay. Nano banana. You used? You don't hear about the your nano banana? Okay. Netflix. Rule based. It's automatically suggest. It's automatically recount. It's a rule based. Now it's a coming connecting with generative AI because it's a more capable to give right test, like you want to show the thriller movie, comedy movie, but already he know about what do you want, and many times now it's right. So it's a converting and transforming in the generative AI, na? So there are many examples in which you are seeing the transformation. They are generate new answer, new image, new PPT, new video, new PDF for you, which already not existed in data set. It's generate, obviously available in data set, but not exact line. It's a generate something new answer. Obviously human also can't give the answer if you don't know anything about it. You have information in your mind, after that you will able to give answer in your words. Like generative AI on the base of available data set, able to give answer according to your question in intelligent way, not a predefined pattern. So understand what is the generative AI? Everyone? Okay. So let's start about this. This is I have a question. Could you advise me on the best way to travel this morning? I was up late and I am down with some cold and fever. Actually, I am just giving you an example. Actually, suppose that before some time, like 2 years ago, I want to make a plan for traveling. I just want to go to the Bali. So first of all, I have to check the flight. After that, I have to check the hotels. After that, I have to check the most better itinerary according to my budget and my timing. Food option, because I am going out of the country, then I have to check out the food. Like I am a vegetarian, I am not a vegetarian, like I am a vegetarian, I have to check out the option for the vegetarian option. And for this, I have to spend a lot of time because I am checking the separately. First, in first tab, like make my trip, I am going in the hotel tab. After that, I will check out the flight option. Hotel, I will check out the hotel option in my budget. After that, I will go into the flight. I will check the flight. After that, I will check some itinerary. And in that condition, I am spending a lot of time, and sometimes it making me fool because hotel picks many times giving me wrong information. In that condition, I can stuck in out of India. Right or not? So, what happen if you find only one agent and just say him, कि I want to go to the Bali, I have a 1,20,000 budget, just book hotel, flight and give the vegetarian option, but keep mind the budget 1,20,000. Now my agent will start the work. It will automatically search flight, automatically search hotels, automatically check, and not searching the hotel only. It will automatically check the best rating hotel. Means it should not make me fool. I am just not going on the base of the pics. It's going on the base of the rating, customer rating. So that's why it can much better, and you don't need to put separately a lot of time and efforts, because it's all are doing by an agent. You are not doing, you are just giving your goal. Okay, I want to go to Bali and my budget is 1,20,000. That's it. This is my goal. And after that, agent will start the work. This is called agentic AI. So there are one again AI. So how many type of agentic? How many type of AI here? First, rule based, fixed question and answer, not randomly giving answer. Second, generative AI, they generate new answer on the base of the data set. And third is the agentic AI, which not only generating something for you, it's a performing for you. Mean it search, book, find and check the rating, then everything used by this agent, means performing some task, then it's called agentic AI. Got it? And today we are going to understand very small example of the agentic AI. So here is just an example. I will share this PPT to all of you, and just keep in your mind, now this time each corporate world using the agentic AI for the job hiring, for the workflow automation and many things. So they are using the agentic AI. So they are creating the multiple agent. This agent will do this work, this agent will do work, this agent will do work, and all agents set it in an environment. And what my work? I am just giving a task. Just do this. And automatically multiple agents start their work. So just see this example. I just give a information. Could you advise me on the best way to travel this morning? I was up late and I am down with some cold and fever. So I have just an agent. From this I am just asking, okay, tell me about the train option, cab option according to traffic, because already I am the late. I have to go to the office. And second, I am already feeling the down because I have a cold and fever. So how it will give the answer? Just check. It's a raining and chilly. Your meeting still 2 hours away and the F train is on time. Since you are feeling you are not feeling great with cold and fever, I say subway is easier. Yes, use the east entrance elevator. It's giving the answer by a agent. That's a wonderful. And it can be a more wonderful if I am in the in any city which I don't know where is the elevator, where is the subway, train is time or not, weather, everything. It can give me a right time. So that is working by only one question answer. I am not checking separately everything. I am not checking the weather separately. I am not checking the traffic situation separately. I am not checking where is a subway, where is a lift. So I am just going simple question. A generative AI agent use AI model to act independently and achieve goal set by the user. Just I told what is the generative AI and what is the agentic AI. So generative AI just generate, but agentic AI will take a decision what we have to do, when we have to do, how we have to do. Means action will decide by the agent, not by me. There are some little bit information. Don't worry, after that we will start a practical, then it will be a more enjoyable. But before I start the agentic AI, you must have to know something. First, if you are creating a multiple agent, suppose that after this 4 year, third year, you are in a third year, fourth year, second year, after completing your graduation, you will go to in a company, and in company, suppose that team leader a project. For complete this project, they need some employees. One for designing, second for developing, third for testing, debugging. So all our employees are working on a one project to get a same goal. Am I right? Like that, we have a multiple agent. One agent will design, second agent will generate code, third agent will debug and test. So all things done by the agent. But if you are an employee in a company, you need some resources. Do you need some resources? You need? What type of resources you need? Can I know? Yeah. I'm coming here, then you can give me an answer. So if you are an employee, appointed as an employee in a company to perform a task, so what type of resources you need? Suppose that I am appointing you, but I am not giving you any resources. Can you do work for me? What type of resources you need? Tell me. Yeah? You tell me.
Laptop.
Good.
And tools like VS Code.
Okay.
And GitHub.
GitHub. Internet connectivity and softwares. Absolutely right. So if you are an employee appointing by a company, so obviously to perform tasks, you need laptop, internet connectivity, softwares. Which software you are using for designing, coding, debugging, testing? You need softwares. These are resources if you are doing work for a project. Like that, agent. If you are making an AI agent to perform work like that, they also need some resources. So they need model, they need tools. Tools means, suppose that you are making an agent to book flight and so you are making an agent. Okay? What type of the tool you need? Data, flight booking, hotel searching. For that, how can we use? Google search. Google search. If your tool will search your flight and hotel, so obviously it will use the Google search. Na? After that it will be able to find the flight. So Google search is a tool. Okay. So guys, are you listening me? Are you understanding what agent you are making? You need some property to make your agent. First, by the way, agent. What is the agent? It's an opportunity to learn something. Yeah? No. AI agent perform some task for you. Deliver some. You are making an agent to book flight, to search hotel. You need to provide your agent.
Hotel booking area.
Absolutely right. But do you have a data of the flight information and hotel information? How can you provide the agent?
Company.
You? Google search. Yeah. So agent will use Google search. Like that, you can see my agent checking a weather condition as well. Condition is very important. Whole world which affected by the weather, flood there, then my travel totally destroyed. So a weather API, am I right? You need Google search or you need your database as well. So these all things are called tools. When you are making an agent, you need Google search, tool can your database, tool can external API for hotel booking to check the rating like a trip advisor and another thing. Tool can any other external thing. This is called a tool. API function. You can make it can also become a tool. So your agent will do perform work, but how? If you are appointed in a company, I am not giving a laptop. Can you do work? Can you make a design if I am not giving a licensed software? You need, na? So like that, whenever you make AI agent, then you need some resources. So this huge tool. So what is the tool? APIs, external APIs, database. Point farmer software. Is this good? To fertilize. Okay. What is skill? Mind. Am I right? If you are, I am appointing you, then it's not a compulsory. I'm just providing you resources. You need skill also. So here for the skill I will use model. Model means LLM, and LLM means a mind, a predefined mind which already trained with a lot of information. So like if I appoint an employee with MBA, MTech, PhD, BTech, why? Because this is a mind which already trained with IT technology. After that I will appoint you, na? Can I appoint a lawyer to develop my software? Not. Can I appoint a software developer to fight my case? Not possible. So I need a trained, skilled mind. This is called a model. So if you are making an agent who can work human like you, so you need model, you need APIs like, and you need an environment where agent can talk with each other. Got it? Understand? And now this time in corporate world, automation is overtaking all tasks, like a job posting, other things, testing, summarizing meeting, everything doing by the multiple agents. So you must have to understand if you want to really want to fit in today's corporate life. So this is a golden chance. Okay. So guys, you understand what is the model? You understand what is the model? Or busy in some chit chat? After this session you can chit chat, but it will be better if and your topic must be regarding agent AI. So you understand what is the model, what is the API? So if you want to really make an agent, you need some base property like a model, like a APIs, which called tools. So here you can see, here I am using 4 tools. First is a weather API, second is a calendar, third is my checking train schedule, and fourth is my traffic. So after that, it will be able to give me a right path, right way and right solution according my condition. Got it? So here today my session is what is Gemini CLI. So I think you understand now what is the agent. So Gemini CLI is also an agent which can make folder, file, summarize, code for you. You don't need to write the code. Just give instruction to this agent and it will perform. It will create a website. It will create a folder. It will publish your folder. It will make a chatbot with help of your data set as well. So this is a wonderful agent. So before the giving practical example of the Gemini CLI, it's a very compulsory, it's a really compulsory to understand what is agent. So I am going to start my practical session. I hope you will enjoy in that session. But before I start my practical session, I have to share some credits. So you all have a Google account. You all have, obviously this is a very simple question. Everyone using the Gmail? Please raise your hand. You all are using the Gmail account? Okay. So I am going to share a simple PPT. With help of this PPT, just open your GCP account, Gmail account. You can access your GCP. You will create a project in a GCP and you will get $5 GCP credits. And after using the GCP credits, you will able to make this agent very perfectly. But one more thing I want to say. Gemini CLI not compulsory on the GCP credit. You can simply download Gemini CLI in your as a simple software like VS Code, like another software. Just download and just install in your normal terminal. So with help of your terminal, you can make your project simply. Okay. So let's start. But before I am going to my practical, if you have any question regarding agent, generative AI, API, you can ask me. I think you should ask. Okay? You don't have a question. Okay? So I am sharing my PPT. I need. एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अदर जो स्ट्रीमिंग हो रही है उन सबके पास भी पीपीटी जानी होगी ना। हाँ, क्योंकि वो लोग फिर क्रेडिट कैसे यूज़ करेंगे, तो जेमिनी CLI क्रेडिट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। एंड वहाँ पे वॉलंटियर्स तो होंगे ना, तो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना दीजिए, उसका QR कोड अपन शेयर कर देते हैं, तो यहाँ पे और बाकी सब में ज्वाइन कर लें। ठीक। copy and paste the.
Log in through web browser.
Okay, so everyone can able to log in system, na?
Web WhatsApp. Or else just copy the QR.
Guys, it's a compulsory. Everyone has to join this WhatsApp group because you all get the resources only via this group. Guys, please join the WhatsApp group. You join? Done? Sure. Try to open in system because I will share some links and some.
You will send me an email.
Got it.
I will do it.
Okay. Guys, you done? You already joined your WhatsApp group? Why? Do you have any problem? You must have to join this WhatsApp group. Everyone, please do this as soon as possible. I will come there and okay, now it's visible to everyone. Join a WhatsApp group using this QR code.
I have shared the document.
If you all join this group, please raise your hands or give thumbs up. Then we can know okay, you already join, and after that I can share the all resources with all of you. And it is shared in another classroom, and they joined already. Okay.
Already 300 members joined.
And do just say your volunteers. They share the links and PPT. So they start the redeem and they start the claim the.
Guide them in message through message.
Yeah. And if you have any doubt, just guys, everyone. Is there any problem? Hello? 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 This task. Please give your thumbs up if you already joined the WhatsApp group. Or if is there any problem, just call me. I will come there, try to solve your issue.
चार्जिंग लगाना
नहीं अभी तक Guys, once again I am saying you give your thumbs up if you join already WhatsApp group. You already done? So again share the links and because okay. So we are sharing a link. Using this link you can open your GCP account and redeem credits around $5. $5 credits will come in your GCP account. After that you will able to use some paid service from the Google, and this is great opportunity to know how we create the project in GCP, how can we use the Gemini CLI, and how can we use publish your project in GCP. Okay, $5. Which already shared in WhatsApp group. You just click over the link. I am coming everywhere. You created? What are you doing? Click over this link. Just give it. No, I shared in a WhatsApp group another link. No.
Not shared. Only PDF.
Just a minute. this link again I shared with all of you. Now it's clickable. This link. Yeah, click. Everyone click over the link which already shared in your WhatsApp group. Yes, you are right. But try to do this thing on your system and use that Google account which you want to use to claim credits. Okay? So you can use here. Yes? Is there any problem? You are not using the link? Are you not in a WhatsApp group? Please click over. Yes?
Personal mail.
I try. You should try because you will get a $5 crowd. It should be better if you are using the. If there is no any security issue. Guys, are you using? If you are using in the mobile, then you will not able to make my next action. Okay, so just try to do in your system. You attend project session. Okay, make some projects and make not huge. So don't do that. Yeah, guys. Happen. Yes. For that. Follow the. Just make a project. GCP. That I will tell you. Okay. You are doing? Good. Yes. Everyone? Good. Just I shared the PPT and follow the instruction in PPT. Okay? Paper. Just you. You done? Done? Good. Follow the instruction in given in your PPT. Okay? Yes. Okay. No, Gmail account. Gmail. Only Gmail. Gmail account. Not your university account, not your college account. Just keep in your mind you have to use only Gmail.
Cloud pack.
No. Whenever you click here, just a project, new project. Okay? Whenever given, okay? Just do this. Whenever you make the project, after that it will give you an instruction like that. Everyone create the GCP project, follow the instruction is given your PPT and PPT already shared. If still you have any doubt, issue, problem, you can call me. I will come to you and try to solve your issue. Gmail. Only Gmail account you have to use. Just keep in your mind only Gmail account you have to use to get $5 credits. After that you will able to use. After that you will able to use this credit and able to create new project. When your project create, then you will find like that. You must have to keep in your mind, create or select project. If you are not showing this option, so in upper side you can find an option to select a project, click over the button, create a new project. You must have to create a project to use this cloud credits. How many people done with project? Just raise your hand. Guys, give attention. We have to do a lot of work. So please raise your hand if you created project with GCP, and if you have a problem then you call me, I will come to you. Okay. Only 2 people created the project? Okay, good. Next. And check that in another classroom as well. Okay. In another classroom, is there any problem to create project? You can post a message in WhatsApp and you can inform your volunteer and instructor is there. We will try to solve your problem. It is must you have to create a GCP project. Raise your hand if you created the project. Well done. Back side are growing. Front side.
In the process, it was asking money. It was asking money to pay money.
No. Just follow the PPT.
Yeah, once we were installed to audience, they are asking. Regarding payment, they are asking how.
No. So guys, if you already used in a previous workshop and hackathon clouds, so might be it can create a problem or might be it can ask about the payment. So in that condition, use some another new Gmail account. By the way, in this account, you don't need to pay, you don't need to select your previous account. Just create a new fresh project and follow the instruction which given in your PPT. you're creating your project, you can see your project name, your billing account you already set according to your given instruction, your PPT, and everything you must have to set only like that which given instruction in your PPT. Okay. So raise your hand if you created your project. All time back side is only raising hands. Front side, what are you doing? Is there any problem? If you have any problem, let me know. I will come to you. Because after creating your project, we will follow the next instruction and make something amazing. Guys, you created? Okay, I have to come? Okay, sure. यस बोलो क्या हुआ हाँ you followed the all instruction okay just see your credits it's available $5 okay you already created the project
It's not showing.
just a minute we are going on the dashboard okay select your project you still no create project no problem just create a new project put your name and follow the instruction given in the PPT okay please guys follow the instruction in PPT if you have any doubt please let me know select a project click over the select a project create new project and set your billing account which already set it put your project name whatever you like you can set the project name and just keep an eye on your PPT and follow the instruction on the PPT still you have problem call guys you create project good wonderful well done yeah create the project put your name create the project and follow some instruction given in a PPT because that your billing account assigned to project okay yes
billing
yeah I think you already set everything yeah you already whenever you just PPT just see the PPT where is the PPT in a PPT just see how you set the billing account everything mentioned in a PPT follow the instruction in the PPT after that set the billing account and create the project in the billing account okay follow the PPT after that if you get issue then call me just create a project new just new name and select project with your billing account just me hold on why instruction okay we have $5 no problem you click on the here after that you find the select project name of your project and set and follow the instruction in okay yeah you done No payment. No payment action. Follow the instruction in PPT.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed now? Okay, done. Done. You already credited with.
Yes.
Why are you here? Go in the billing account. It's a $5. Okay? Yes, girls. Yes, girls. Yeah. Go and just follow the instruction according to PPT. Okay? Everything you follow. Guys, what happened? You done? Here, in your mobile. क्या करोगे $5 का? Why? What you will use the $5? You can't create the project.
This is not the personal mail.
Personal mail ID, password not. Forget that, man.
Okay. And after this, you have to make a project. And
Ma'am, after I will log in desktop, then I can do.
then how will you get the password?
Not that
Personal laptop, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. You can go with a personal laptop.
Not showing option, ma'am. Click here, access credentials.
Networking issue. Do you have personal laptop?
Ma'am,
So you will use this laptop now?
No, not there.
most of us done in mobile only, ma'am. Then most of us done in mobile only.
No. Get the credits. Credit. Huh? Yes. Yeah. Accept and continue. Follow the PPT.
Showing like
Whenever it will open the billing account, here you will the $5 credited in your account. Okay? Just follow.
showing like that. Coupon code has already been redeemed. It's showing.
You're using this mail ID.
In phone I use it, ma'am.
You can't use 2 times. So now you can do one thing. Using this Gmail account and just
Same account.
down, no? So you already mentioned everything. This is already. The project also created. And not showing here. Click on see. Okay? And in a GCP, your project. Okay? When everything in my here.
Thanks, ma'am.
Guys, we done. What? Yeah,
So
sure.
I've already had a project results for testing. Would that hinder the process of this?
If you have a project, you have project. The first okay, and link you will see your credits. Yes. Yes. Go and given in your PPT. Open your PPT. Follow the instruction. Everything mentioned in a PPT. Please follow the instruction in a PPT. Yes. have to do some work. Okay. Okay, I think you're done, no? Just a minute. I'm going export project in my project 8150. Good. Yeah, this ID. Okay. You must have to keep in your mind project ID, and just check your after selecting your project, just check your billing. In billing, you just check your credits, and if you have, then good. Now your project is get the services. Okay. Good. If you need help, then ask from her. She already created the project. Okay. Just help. Okay. Okay, you created already. Just create a project. Select a project. New project. Okay. Just create your name and follow the instruction. Okay. Select. Create a project. Guys, you hello. Just a minute. Just give me a for instruction in PPT. Okay. You must need to get claiming in credits in your on the billing must be credited $5. Okay, because your project is not assigned with a billing account which you redeem your $5 credits. So just follow the instruction in a PPT, you will get. Already done, है ना? You got? You done? Okay, so help him. You done? This row done? Perfect. Many of here already done. If anyone doubt, you can check using the credits. Just a minute. You can do one thing. Simple click. Here is mouse.
It's not working properly.
Click here.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah. You must have to use same Gmail ID.
This one has same email.
No, just start a project, create a project and follow the instruction which we give. Follow the instruction.
I followed.
Huh?
I did the same thing, ma'am, which are there in the instructions.
But you not mention your billing with here. You already used your Gmail account somewhere in a GCP. So you have to use same process, because here you put your project ID and billing account you already mentioned, because you can create more than one project using this billing account. But your billing account must be same like that which I mentioned in PPT. Okay?
Check.
No, nothing like that. Just give me PPT. Where is the PPT?
PPT is going to this.
Whenever you click, after that, awesome event. Follow the everything which mentioned here. Okay? Everything mentioned like that. No, it's okay. Just please log in. Okay, click here to access your credits. Coupon code already redeemed. You already redeemed. In which project you already redeemed?
I just created, ma'am. I didn't do anything.
This is the Google AI. Check your billing.
check your link, go into the credits. Yes, it's a $5. Done. Okay, first one, keep in your mind, first one, and first one credit $5. Yes, what happened? Just a minute. Where is your project? No, still no created project. Create on, select a project, create on.
I created a project.
You already created, so click on the Google Cloud. Just a minute, click on the selected project. Yeah, select your project. Just wait. Click on the billing. Just a minute. Down. Come down. No, upside. No. You not follow the fully instruction, which already follow.
Billing also there, ma'am.
Credit. You $5. Okay. Okay. So your project is. Hi. How are you? You are created. No, nothing is wrong. Click on the Google.
Done, ma'am?
No, it's not showing any. Select a project. Select a project.
Create new.
AI project. Just create a new project. Okay, new project. Just a minute. Okay.
Project.
I think you already used your Gmail account earlier in another workshop and another. That's why you are not able to claim right now. You have to create a new Gmail ID to redeem this. Okay? Otherwise it will create a problem.
So we get the free credits.
No. You will get $5.
$5.
$5.
It came,
Huh?
it came earlier.
Hmm?
It came now.
Yeah, but it's not showing the project ID code.
Oh.
Just click try it.
Once again.
Same problem here. I'm coming.
Yes, just now I have created.
After that it's showing the dashboard here. Okay, if it's not showing because whenever you create a project under this account, then it will show a dashboard here. It will not show like that. It's showing like that because it's giving opportunity to access my $3 using follow this process. It's showing because it's taking your this Gmail account under this scheme which I am following. Okay, so you have to create new Gmail account and new Gmail account for the all process which you mentioned. Okay, your project okay, project name. Okay,
Done.
I'm just checking your billing as well. Click on the billing. Credits. Just cloud. Credits. Okay, perfect. You can continue with this. Okay, guys, you done? Still you are facing issue? I'm just coming with it. Yes. What happened? Yeah. Okay. You pre-created, na? Okay. Just click here. You done. No problem. Okay. You done already. And if you want to know about your project, so this is a overview. This is why it's not showing your project. This is your dashboard.
There is a problem regarding generating ID now. Can you please explain?
Project ID?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whenever you created a project, then this is your project ID.
Can you show on the screen?
Sure, sure. Still not coming creating? I'm just coming. Just a minute. Problem? I'm coming. Here is my GCP account is opening. Meanwhile, it's opening. So, how many people created your project and got your $5 credit? Yeah? Okay. Mostly people done and you have a problem. Girls, you have a problem, है ना? Okay, I'm coming. Just a minute. आप इसको ओके यस you just create the project. Yeah, whenever your project done na, just a minute. Whenever your project done, just check here. Select your project which you just created now. Okay, and here you will see your billing. Use the billing account. You just created billing account. Just mention your billing account to your project. After that you will find the $5. Yes, I'm coming. Yes.
Not understanding.
Just click on the billing. Yeah, just hold on. Okay, give me. Just here, credits, and you see $5. Okay, you done. Click over the billing. Just guide her. Okay, tell me what happened. You done? You don't need to go here and there. Just select your project. You created the project, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Check your billing. Check your credits. It's So $5. You done? Yes?
Access block.
Huh?
Access block.
What? You can use only Gmail account, not google.com. You are not an employee of the Google. I also can't use the google.com. Yes? You done? What happened? Don't need to here and go to here and there. Just create a Google Cloud or billing. This is it. Okay? You done? You done? Okay. In this row, mostly people done. You got $5? Click on the credits. See, you done? Huh? Because you are going here and there, don't need to go here and there. Just click simple Google Cloud. After that, click on the billing and billing, check credits. Okay, done? Many people actually already done, but not able to show your 5 credits. So on the right side, 3 lines you can see. First of all, click on the Google Cloud. Google Cloud. And a Google Cloud, just near the Google Cloud, you can see 3 lines and click on the 3 lines. Come down and click over the billing. Come over the billing. And in billing account, you can find a credit option. You will find credit, click over the billing. After that, you will see a left side menu, come down, click over the credits. And whenever you will click over the credits, you will see the $5 credited in your account with your project. Okay? Everyone done? Done? Once again raise your hand if you done with that. People, once again raise your hand if you done with that. Raise your hand. You done? Okay. So most of the people completed problem with anyone? I am going to my next step. If is there any problem, just let me know. You done? Boys, you done? Okay. So I am going to my next process. नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा. किससे कनेक्ट करना है? किससे कनेक्ट करूं? किससे कनेक्ट करूं?
नेट आई नहीं ना, किसी का नहीं आ रहा है.
अपना करके देखो. click on the project, or left side you can see a menu where overview or dashboard option you can find. Just click on the dashboard and try to find out project ID. Again I am repeating, everyone listen me carefully. If you created project successfully and check out you have credited $5, so click on the dashboard or overview. It's available in the left side menu. Click on the overview, find out the dashboard, click on the dashboard, and now you can see project ID. You must have to check project ID. Let me know you are able to see or not. You can see it's a left side menu. You must have to see project ID. Guys, you are able to see the project ID? Network. Please let me know. Are you able to see project ID? How many people able to see the project ID? Wonderful. Almost people are able to see your project ID. Good. So I am sharing one more link. This is the wonderful link of the code lab. It's right now I'm not able to open here because network issue here. So meanwhile it's resolved. I'm sharing a link, code lab link, and open this code lab link and follow the instruction. I am here and will come to everyone to guide how can you start. Okay? So let's start to with Gemini CLI. I am sharing the link. Guys, I shared the link with everyone. Did you get the link? It's a code lab link. It's a wonderful code lab link. Very simple instruction. After follow this instruction, really you will make something amazing. Network not. In another labs already created the project and code lab. Guys, please let me know. You open the code lab. You open the code lab. What happened? Because you are not using the WhatsApp. I shared the WhatsApp, I shared the code lab link in your WhatsApp group.
It was not.
It's a wrong, I think. Okay. No, this is enough.
This is another. Wait, I will share that.
I should delete him from here.
Just a minute.
Copy the link.
But I have to delete now. It was the right group actually. Okay. Just. Network issue.
Actually,
I shared but not transferred. On the way. Whenever you open your code lab, check. No, only this connector will connect.
नहीं दिख रहा कोड नहीं दिख रहा
अच्छा अच्छा okay. Guys, like this window is opened in your desktop. Backside people please. It is visible in your screen. So now it's time to start the Gemini CLI in your shell. So you already created a GCP project. You already credited with $5. Now it's time to use Gemini CLI, and it's a wonderful experience. Don't worry, really it will great experience for you. Just let me know. Already I shared a code lab link with you. Just open this code lab. This is a very big code lab, but don't worry, you have to follow in a way. I will guide you in a very simple way, and you will be able to make something new. So आप इसको घुमाते रहना. Okay, I'm coming. Guys, you open? Okay, good. And here your dashboard. Click in your project and just keep in your mind your project ID. Okay. Now click on the hands-on with your Gemini CLI. Now you can read this instruction. Okay. So here is some instruction. Don't worry, you don't follow this all instruction, but you can start with reading now. Start to check out. Then you will find an interactive with that. Okay. Guys, you already open code lab? Okay. So everyone just keep in your mind, it's not a means you open a new code lab and close your previous tab. You have to open your project dashboard as well, because your project ID will be used my next process. Okay. Just you must have to keep your project ID in front of you. Yeah. Do you want to? Yeah. Oh, you're done. Good. Well done. Just go with that.
Ma'am, it's showing syntax error when I copy paste.
Your account is still, because you could not select your project, no? You must have to select project, and you must have to inside of your project.
Okay, now I
Because you
have
are
to do
billing.
it.
Yeah. Again you just close and again start this process, but just keep in your mind your project must be selected.
So guys, everyone ready to the next process? Okay, let's start my next process. So this is a wonderful code lab. Here, in the first option you can see what is the introduction. In this code lab you learn about the Gemini CLI. Gemini CLI agent which follow your instruction, means it can create new project, it can debug your existing project, can find error in your existing code, and can push your project directly in GitHub. It can connect your project with database. So are you ready with this journey? Okay, let's start. So here, before you begin, it's the instruction to your billing account. We already done this step. So now it's a time to come installation process. Okay. So using in a third step installation process, start the reading now. How can you do this? This is your Gemini CLI project. See here, this is your Gemini CLI project. It's showing your project name, your project ID, okay? And here you have to type, just keep in your mind, you have to type shell editor, cloud shell editor. Everyone just give attention here please. In a terminal side, you have to type shell editor. And whenever you click on the cloud shell editor, you will find a window where you have to enable your terminal editor. Again I am repeating you, in a search bar type shell editor, but one more thing, very very important, your project must be selected. If you are open shell editor randomly, out of the project, then you are not able to use the credits. Okay? So must have to select your project first. Here you can see JAMA agent is my project. It's showing here because I selected this project already. Okay? And after that, type in a search bar Cloud Shell Editor. And here you will find a blue button, Open Cloud Shell Editor. Click on this button. Click on the button and now let me know something is happened or not. How many people open the shell editor? You already opened? You are able to see the black window? In a bottom side, in a half screen, you are able to see the black screen or not? I am coming. I am coming everywhere. Guys, follow this thing. Cloud Shell Editor. Yes. It's not clicking. No. Click Cloud Shell Editor.
Open చేసాను ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, so connecting. You are connecting. Network issue. Yes. Yes. Good. And select Gemini account. It's already selected. It's a opening. After that, it will open the cloud window. Okay? Just wait. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Just authorize. And here must be same account which you already used to create this project. Okay? It's already selected. No problem. Why sign in? You could not select your project? No. I think it's the name of the Google AI is a problem. Just to create a new project with same billing account and try to repeat this process. Okay?
With another name.
Huh?
With another name.
Another name. Not use the Google AI. It's a use some project 1, 2, 3, anything else. Okay? Yes. Same problem with you.
Yes.
Google AI. Just create one more project and keep another name. I think the name is a problem.
New project.
New project. What happened?
Mail is not logging in the system.
What?
I forgot my
your
password.
What happened? You done? So, what are you doing?
I'll ask them and
Okay, just a follow. Boys, you done? Many people actually seeing a sign-in process. I think they keep the name Google AI project name. So I think you should change the name of the project. What is your project name? AIML. Click here. Click. Yes. Or continue. Yeah. I think now it's starting in your project. Okay. Try to authorize. And must use same mail ID which used here. What happened? Oh, good. You already opened. Good. Here successfully open our terminal editor. If anyone seeing the window, above side you can see a button. Please see above side a button. Open terminal. In the right side you will get a option open terminal. Click on the open terminal. After that you will find a black window. After authorizing, it will take a few minutes. So after authorizing, if you are finding just like a VS Code type of the window, then check above side. On the top right you will find a button open terminal. Okay, open terminal. So click over on the open terminal. After that you will find a black window. Okay, and now you can follow the instruction in CodeLab. In a installation, just go to the CodeLab. In a CodeLab you can follow the instruction. Yes. Network issue. Okay, I'm coming. Meanwhile, how many people opened already terminal window? Okay, great. So here you can see my CodeLab, and here is some instruction. Like not follow this instruction. Just in your terminal window, create make directory Gemini CLI project CD, and after that write Gemini. Okay, here just make directory or CD, and after that write a Gemini. Okay, please write down. Good. You can see in an installation, make directory, CD directory, and type Gemini. Avoid this because this is an offline terminal instruction. Okay? In a Gemini CLI, just write down a Gemini and you will find a code window. Where? Here. Okay? Just type make directory and create a project. I am coming. What happened? Go to the open Cloud Shell editor. Yes. Here you can type your project. Follow the instruction here. Here you can see make directory, CD, and after that type the Gemini. Avoid that. Okay? Yes.
How can I do this in project specific directory? It is in home directory.
It is a home directory, no? You have to follow the instruction here. You have to make a directory.
I did in this.
So you have to CD directory. Come inside of the project.
Okay.
CD, your project name. After that write down Gemini. Right now you have to quit because you already in the Gemini. Oh, sorry. Slash. Now you outside. Now you are inside of the project already. Just type the Gemini and just open and start your process. That was not a code window. That was a Gemini prompt.
Okay.
And you can ask any type of the question. What is the weather of the Hyderabad? Nothing. Just go inside, write your question and get the answer. Some people already started with Gemini CLI. Yes. What happened? Shell editor. Welcome. Click on the open. Yes. Here, open my CodeLab, where you find the make directory, CD directory, type Gemini. Okay, guys. Yes, authorize. Yes, authorize. You done?
No, ma'am. It's coming like this.
Yes, you already inside the project.
What?
Yeah, you already inside your project. You just write a question anytime. What is the temperature of the Hyderabad? What of the Salman Khan, you will get the answer. After that, I will instruct you.
Same dot, ma'am. Not when it is not installed, ma'am. Same dot.
Huh?
Same dot. Me also.
You done?
No, ma'am.
He has the same doubt. Laxman is asking. Same issue. He's not getting this.
It's not an issue.
Okay.
It's not an issue. You just write down your question. Whatever in your mind. Just don't ask about your girlfriend. Because it will not give you answer. Just not follow this instruction. Because these instruction for the offline. Okay? In a GCP, just make directory, CD directory and type Gemini. After that you will find a search bar type prompt window and write something like what is the temperature of the Hyderabad, anything else. Okay? Yes, guys. Coming. Everywhere I am coming. Yes? Talking?
No, ma'am.
With it. You just talk with it. Okay? Put your question. Okay? Don't ask about your girlfriend. Okay? You can ask anything else. Yes? Coming. Yes?
What should we do, ma'am? I opened the.
Yeah. You
Nice, ma'am.
type Gemini. Type Gemini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Enter. Gemini.
Small.
Just read. Now you put your question.
Prompt, ma'am.
Yeah. Like a chat GPT, just talk with it. Hello. Yeah, you start with that. Should I come here? What? You already opened. Type Gemini and start the prompting. Yes, you already started. Just put your question. Simple. Put your question. Don't ask about your coming question in your semester and exam. It will don't know about it. Okay? Just ask about the temperature of the Hyderabad, latest news of the Hyderabad. It will try to give us. Good? Good. Just type and about the question. Yes? You done or not? What happened?
Just a few.
Just a minute. What? You are not following the instruction.
We came
Just cloud. Huh?
for washroom, ma'am. We have no reason.
Cloud Shell Editor. Cloud Shell Editor, type here. After that your window will come, authorized section there. Is there anyone come? She skipped something. Boys, you done? Talking. Hello? 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 What happened? Okay, no problem. You are doing something? Why? You just... Okay, right here you and ask any question. Girls, what happened? Next step. You were busy, some chit chat, station. Talk. So, what happened? Why you skipped? First. Huh? Start. From here. Editor. Type Cloud Shell Editor. Guys, I think. Hello. Yeah. Everyone start talk with Gemini CLI. How many people actually got the answer? Did you get the answer? Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Type Gemini. Just a minute. You already created a project? No. So you can do one thing. First of all, make directory Gemini CLI project. Series Gemini CLI project. And in this project, under this project, just type a Gemini, like that. Type Gemini, okay? Huh. Guys, I am doing on the screen. If you still have a doubt, you can see on the screen. I will try to type something on the screen. That's why it is small है. नहीं, ये इस पे कनेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहा? ये तो यहाँ तो कनेक्ट हो गया, तभी ये छोटा हो गया. गाइस, अगर ये विंडो सबके पास आ गई है, जस्ट सी हियर, दिस स्क्रीन मस्ट बी शो इन योर स्क्रीन. हाउ मैनी पीपल एबल टू सी दिस स्क्रीन? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स इफ यू आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन इन योर स्क्रीन. ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट. सो हियर जस्ट टाइप MKDIR. So here a command line you can see MKDIR means make directory. You can keep any name of your project. I get a Gemini CLI project. After this you have to come inside of your project folder. So cd Gemini CLI project, and after that you have to type simple Gemini. After that you have to type only simple Gemini, and whenever you see Gemini is activate, then it should look just like this. It's a black window, and whenever Gemini CLI will open, so it should look just like this. Just avoid this thing, because these things are activate whenever you install Gemini CLI in offline mode. Right now you are using the Gemini CLI in cloud, and for this you need cloud credits, okay? But every time it's not compulsory. In a simply go inside your normal window, normal terminal. If you are using Windows laptop, terminal. If you are using the Linux laptop, go to the terminal and install already given the instruction in above side. Simple using the npm package, install Gemini CLI in your offline window. It's not a means it will work without internet. No, it's not a offline. Means it's not a required the cloud and credits. So you can use the Gemini CLI without cloud and credits. Okay. But right now this is a Google workshop, and it's a very important that we can teach you how can use the Gemini CLI with help of the cloud credits. Okay. That's why we are here. Otherwise, whenever you use in offline mode, so first time it will ask कि what is the theme, how can you use this, you can use direct only Gmail account, you can use only Gemini API. So there are a number of ways you can use in normal offline terminal, but internet connectivity is must. Okay. So just try after this session. After that, if you will get any type of the doubt, you can ask me in a LinkedIn as well. By the way, I am coming in the my next point here. You can see this is a window open, and here some settings are here, but you will see a prompt. How many people actually seeing the prompt on your screen? Please let me know how many people actually using the Gemini CLI in your terminal right now.
Okay, so just type the question. Now don't follow the all instruction here because this is a very big project and now you are in a very first level, so it can be a very high for you. So don't worry, I am now going to very simple way. Okay, in another classes also we can come to solve issue if you find any type of the doubt. So type Gemini, you find a prompt window. In a prompt window you can put any type of the question. Just keep remember, your question should be like what is the temperature of the Hyderabad, या general knowledge. Don't ask any personal question because it will not able to give you answer because it don't know you, who are you. Okay, it's not a personal AI. So you can ask any type of the question and let me know are you getting the answer or not. Let me know are you getting answer or not. Guys, response me. It's a very compulsory. After that I can start my next step. Okay. Once again I am asking you, raise your hand if you are getting the response. 1, 2. How many people getting the response from the Gemini CLI? Raise your hand. Okay. But it's a 20%. So rest of the people are not using Gemini CLI or not able to getting the response. You are not using? Okay. So whoever are using, interested to make something new. So now you start the prompting. Just give me attention. You start the prompting. Create a website. Just hear me carefully. Just start to writing in the prompt bar. Create a website for latest news. For to show latest news. For that, create a folder. Again I am repeating you, in a prompting start to writing. Create a website for latest news. For that, create a folder. Create a folder with name of XYZ. With name of XYZ. In this folder, you are writing, start the writing the prompting. In this folder, create HTML file and CSS file. Again I am repeating, everyone please hear me. Listen carefully. In a prompting bar, start to writing. Create a website. Create a website for latest news. For this, create a folder with name of XYZ, and in this folder, create HTML page and CSS file. After this, enter. After that, enter. And whenever you will enter, then it will start a process. Started? After that, it will ask something. It will because you are giving an instruction to agent. Gemini CLI is an agent. After that, it will ask, do you give me a permission to create your folder in your system? Because it can be hacked, na? So you have to give the permission. So there will be 3 options. Always and once. You have to select once. Because you want to give the permission only this time. Not always. You are not giving your system fully control to a AI. You are using this AI only this time. Okay? So once. You will use the once. Enter and see the magic. Yeah. Once.
Allow once. Enter. Yeah, okay. Now start the process. Wait for some time. Allow, enter. And now it will start the process. Okay? It will asking, create a website for latest news. For this, create a folder with XYZ name. In this folder, create a HTML file and CSS file. After that, enter. Then it will ask, allow once or always. You have to select first option, allow once. Select, enter. And after that, you will see magic. Write the prompt. What happened?
What's the next process? Next process.
You already, no, create a folder, I told now. Create a folder. Create a folder. Sorry, create a website with latest news. For this, create a folder with XYZ name. And in this folder, create HTML file and CSS file.
Where ma'am? Where do I create folder?
Huh?
Where should I create a folder?
Just write.
Right ma'am.
Yeah. Just write this. What I'm saying. Hello. What I'm saying you. In a prompt window, just write. Start to writing. Create a website for latest news. For this, create a folder XYZ. In this folder, create a HTML file and CSS file. After press okay. Yeah. Okay, got it. Sometime it find a suspicious. So click here because it's a confused with two accounts. You already used some account in another workshop.
No ma'am, it's the first time.
No, so it's a it's a happen whenever it's a confused with double accounts. So right now.
Prompt.
Huh?
Here I should write.
Yeah, in a create prompt. Here. Create a, yeah. Just go. Yeah. Which account you are using? It's a Gmail? What are you doing? Hello? Already you prompted? Okay. It will ask about once or always.
It's asking shall I proceed with this?
Yeah. This is a copy. Okay? You copy. Come here and paste it. Okay. Now start. Yes, you done? What happened?
Can you say repeat the prompt again?
I am repeating again and again. Create a website for latest news. Create a website for latest news. For that, create a folder with name of XYZ. In this folder, create a HTML file and CSS file. Create a HTML file and CSS file. After that, press enter. You done? What happened? Done? Created? Show me. Creating right now. Under the process?
No, it's already done. It's
Already
created
done?
Index HTML and style CSS.
Okay. You already created, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can say here, run this project. If you already created this project, then if you created the project CSS HTML file in your folder, then last prompt you can see run my project. You have to write run my project or run my HTML file. Yes, allow.
Now start. Okay. How many people actually run the project already? What happened? Right, you are prompting, na? Hello? 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 Yes.
It's working.
It's working? Running? Congratulations. You created your website.
Thank you.
In how much time?
In like 10 minutes.
So is this magic? It's not just like creating simple HTML CSS file. You can create database file as well.
Like SQL.
Yeah. You can create complete React file with database connectivity as well. It's a magic. It can work beyond your imagination. How many people already succeed to create the website? हाँ?
Can you repeat prompting?
Again prompt. मेरे गले में दर्द हो गया रिपीट कर करके.
Type करो.
No. I am again repeating my prompting. मुझे भी दर्द हो. Create a folder. Create a latest news. News. For latest news. For that, create a folder with name of XYZ. Create a folder with name of XYZ. And in this folder, create a HTML and CSS file. Okay. After that, it will ask, you want to allow once or forever. You have to select allow once because you can't give your system fully to AI. Okay. And after that, will start your process. Got it? Yes. Yeah. Tell me. Type your Gemini. Type Gemini.
Yeah, ma'am.
Huh. Hand out. It's very simple. Just me. Huh. Now start your prompting. Start your prompting. Already told about. I think create a website for latest news. For that, create a folder. For that create news. For that, create a folder with name of XYZ. In this folder, create HTML file and CSS. Okay? Just enter. What happened? Yes, allow. After that it will start. It will taking a permission. Now starting. Running. Just minute. Shell. Now start it. Create a folder. अब तो याद हो जाना चाहिए. Create a folder. Create a website for latest news. For that, create a folder with XYZ name. And in this folder, create. Okay. You already project? Here? You run? Okay, you done na? You write a line my HTML page. Whatever you want, you can write. Whenever you see your HTML file created, your CSS file created, in a last prompt, just write run my HTML page.
Again, write the prompting. Run my HTML page. Yeah, run my web page. Run my website. Whatever you want, just give instruction. Run. Whatever you want. No, not only run. Run my web page. Run my project. Run my project.
నీకు అన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి నాకే రాట్లేదు.
Yes, yes. Yes. And just a minute.
I was unable to open HTML file on my to open the following web browser.
This is the run my project. Okay, you can put this. So now you can see your project. How much time you take to create this web page? Just 10 to 15 minutes? You can put many things in your website just using the prompting and try. So how many people already run this project? Run your project? Allow. Yes, allow. Run my project. Last prompting, run my project. And after the run the project, it can again ask allow once. What happened? What happened? What? It's a run. Unable to forward it. What's your prompting? Click on this. Write down your error and it will solve your issue. Yes, what happened? Yes, somewhere it's getting the error. Don't worry. You can ask your error from here. You just put your error here and ask from here. Why it's happening? How many people successfully run your first project? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Congratulations. That means you can create any type of the project, na? So happy, finally some people successfully created your project. But what's the condition in another lab? We have to check.
Some people are doing it. Only few people are doing it. Few people are doing it.
So, now guys, how do you like the Gemini CLI? Is it wonderful or not? Yeah. You all are doing, but from starting this is the issue, you are not responding to my any question. Guys, please let me know
If you have any question, because after that I can give you some another tips, and after that I will stop this session, I will wrap up this session, but after that obviously we will open the Q&A. But if you are not going to ask any question, then I immediately leave this. You done? Is there any problem? Running? Processing. Okay. You? Problem? Should I come there? Yeah, na. What? Local house problem. I'm coming. You get the issue?
Gave and again it's give new server, but still it's not running. I gave again and now it's running. Okay, I can see.
You just say it, change the my server port. Sometime you already, this system is already using in another application, and 8080 is a very common port for MySQL and Java as well. So sometime it occupied with another application, so not responding here. So just say to your Gemini CLI, change my port number, so might be it will be able to successfully run your package.
It's give over 8,000 also.
Okay. HTML file and CSS file. You simply save. Yeah, this is a very simple HTML and CSS file. Okay, no problem. You can see here. You have already a project. And you can see. This is the XYZ. This is the. And you can run from here.
Guys, you can see your terminal window to shift your editor window. In the above side, you can see editor window, open editor. And here also you can see your created folder in your page. So from there, but it's not a limited. You can run your Gemini CLI in your offline terminal. And you can make your React web page with Express, MySQL connectivity using just prompting. So you just simple prompt, create a full stack website, front end, back end, both. It will create. It can create a complete project for not multiple page, home, about us, contact us, resume, profile, and you can set it direct from the GitHub, but this can be a very high, it's a level 2. So right now I am not explaining about the MCP. MCP means I can connect this SQL with GitHub, so it will your project in GitHub automatically.
Once it's done with the CSS.
Run my project. It's done, no? No, you allow once. And whenever it's a computer, you just write down, run my project. Okay? And if you want to see your created page, just open the editor. You can see like a VS Code. And you can see your HTML. You can see your workplace on the open editor. Above side you can see your workplace. So in a very limited time you created a HTML page, HTML website, you can create a JavaScript file, you can create another type of the project,
So very simple and very helpful. You are, I think you just, okay, good. You solved your issue? This is server issue. You can create one more folder and clearly say कि simple HTML file and simple CSS and run my project in the local host without requesting to backend. Okay. I hope you learn already how you can create a project in a very limited time, but in 1 hour you actually learn how can we use and how can we make something new. But after that, just try to make something new in an offline mode, time like a full stack website, backend. You can put many things, but whenever you feel making something, obviously you will get some error, you will some doubt. So you can connect me on the LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID and my YouTube also, where I am continuing, not always, not regular YouTuber, but sometime whenever I get something new, then I am here. I can share here. So you can follow me on the LinkedIn using the QR code and connect me on the LinkedIn, and you can ask me any question after the session. If you find any type of the idea, any suggestion or any error, you can connect me, I will reply you. Project. If you have already a project and there is any error, doubt, so you just open the folder of project here and just ask, you give the permission to Gemini CLI and say, this is my project, but I am getting some error. Check my code full project and let me know what is the problem, what is the issue. Then it will get you error and try to solve your issue as well. So Gemini CLI is not a creating your new project, it will help to solve your existing project. And not only creating simple HTML, CSS file, it will create database file, Java file, C++ file, so you can make your assignment also. So really it's helpful. Is it amazing or not? How many people like Gemini CLI? Just let me know. How many people like? Great. Means you can make something new now. I will wait for your new idea and for your new project. So you can connect me if you want to connect after the session as well. Yeah, all in that.
Thank you.
Yeah. And if you like, then I can come in another lab, and if anyone